Right now, your proprietary code, API responses, and database structures are likely being harvested. Automated systems are designed to scrape, categorize, and extract digital assets at an industrial scale, 24 hours a day. This mass extraction is possible because default copyright rules are passive. They often require lengthy court battles to define fair use after the fact, whereas a restrictive license establishes explicit contractual terms that a scraper violates the moment it bypasses your access controls. Standard open-source licenses complicate this further. They are built to encourage copying and modification. If your business model relies on keeping your software logic or data exclusive, using these standard licenses grants your competitors a legal pathway to your work. The structural solution to this vacuum is the Ultra-Restrictive Commercial License, or URCL. This is a proprietary legal architecture designed to place an aggressive perimeter around your digital assets. Under the URCL, permission is restricted to a narrow, verifiable route. Any use outside of these specific terms is a breach of contract, which provides you with immediate grounds for legal injunctions and financial damages. Relying on default copyright is equivalent to leaving a bank vault open. In a market built on data extraction, survival requires the use of active legal tools to protect your intellectual property. The URCL functions like a threat dashboard, mapping rules directly to incoming threat vectors. The permitted use configuration immediately closes this perimeter. It dictates that access is only granted to authorized users during a paid subscription term for internal business operations. To block competitor cloning, deploy the Prohibited Activities section, outlawing reverse engineering or derivative works. You can also patch against data mining. Specific language prohibits scraping, crawling, or using the software to train artificial intelligence and large language models. The confidentiality layer adds another level of protection. By classifying non-public code, hidden API keys, and internal architecture as strictly trade secrets, any unauthorized disclosure becomes a direct contract violation. The URCL's effectiveness comes from this alignment. Because clauses are dictated by actual risks, the legal document becomes a functional part of your security stack. There is a fundamental problem with international enforcement. There is no global court. Intellectual property rights are territorial. A local victory may have zero impact on an infringer operating in a different country. The URCL mandates that international disputes are settled by an independent arbitration body in a neutral venue like London. Under the New York Convention, courts in over 170 countries must enforce these rulings globally. This mechanism bypasses foreign court delays. You obtain a neutral ruling and use the treaty to apply immediate cross-border leverage against the thief's physical assets. This module transforms the license from a passive agreement into an active cross-border enforcement mechanism. Effective URCL deployment requires physical integration into the software's architecture, moving beyond a simple link in the website footer. This layout shows the three primary integration points: the root license file, source code headers, and the user acceptance screen. By using a custom SPDX identifier, you ensure that automated compliance tools flag your code as strictly proprietary. It is critical to monitor third-party open-source dependencies. Certain copyleft licenses can override your proprietary terms, potentially forcing your internal logic into the public domain against your will. When properly integrated, the URCL provides the leverage needed for rapid enforcement. You can provide hosting providers and payment processors with clear evidence of a contractual breach, allowing you to freeze an infringer's operations. Ultimately, this provides the contractual leverage needed to stop unauthorized commercial extraction before it impacts your business model. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, save, and follow to stay updated with our latest educational videos.